back to my channel. So today I just decided to do an updated version on one of the most popular videos on my channel. I will link the original video up here somewhere, and that video is how to darken light foundation. I think that video has like 27,000 views, I believe. It may be more. Last time I checked, it had 27,000 views. So I decided to do an updated version of it, 2018, because I think that video was 2 years old. So I'm just gonna do a real quick updated version. The foundation we're gonna use that's gonna be too light is the Super Stay Full Coverage foundation in the color Golden Door. I said dope in my vlog video, but it's door, Golden Door, in the color 312. So this is the foundation. And I bought this foundation from Walmart a while ago. I bought the wrong color. I thought it was the correct color, but it's not. So this is the foundation that we're gonna use. And I'm just gonna apply it with a brush. I'm gonna apply it with this Shop Miss A E113 brush. It's like, to me, it's like a concealer brush. And I'm just gonna pump some of it on here and apply it like that. So now I'm gonna blend it out with my Real Technique sponge that I need to throw away, but hey. And as you can tell, it is full coverage. I love the formula though, so I'm gonna have to find it in my color. Now you should be able to see that this is not my color, and we're gonna fix it. Okay, so first I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. This is closer to my skin tone. This is not my highlighted shade, but these formulas have changed, so I don't know, but I'm gonna stick with it. But this is not my highlight shade. So we're gonna just use to bring color back into your face, you want to use a concealer that is closer to your skin tone. Nothing that you use to highlight with. You don't want to use that because it's gonna make you even lighter and ashier. So we're gonna put this in on the high points of our face to bring back that color that we lost. And with this new formula, you have to kind of let it dry before you blend it out, because it's like super watery. I don't know if it's just me or what, but okay, I'm gonna let that dry. And also I'm gonna contour using the Hazelnut Black Opal foundation stick, and that's gonna also help too. So I'm gonna apply here, in there, and I'm put a little on my nose. So, from here too. Hey, might as well. And my sponge is damp, so also like to put my contour here as well. Then we're gonna blend that contour out. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of using my air sponge to set my highlighted spots, I'm gonna go in with my soft focus and set it like that. I'm gonna use my Real Techniques brush to set everywhere that I apply highlight concealer. I mean, same way that we set unnecessary stuff. The same way that we set that cream concealer, we got to set that cream contour. Anytime you put cream on your face, you want to set it with a powder. So I'm gonna use my, then I'm gonna use my little rock bronzer. No, I'm using my Old Faithful Black Radiance contour. Yeah, it's a little lighter. I don't want a deep contour, so yeah. And I'm gonna use that same brush to do that with. Get with y'all. If you do a little smile, you can get into where you want that high cheekbone of your contour. Okay, then you want to go in with some setting spray of your choice. And set everything. Okay guys, here's the final result from my updated version of how to lighten, how to darken a light foundation. Thumbs up if you like this video, and if you would like for me to do more videos like this, how-to videos. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you in my next tutorial.